Hello viewers, welcome back. So this is our second video as part of our playlist Tally Release 7.0. In the previous video, we understood in brief the features of Tally that is being provided in Release 7.0. In this video, we will understand the options and the features that is provided for auto backup. So let us quickly understand the features that is provided for auto backup, and later on we will also go to Tally in the subsequent videos and explore the all the options that have been provided for auto backup. Let us understand the highlights of auto backup. Automated backup. Starting with this release, you can schedule your backup to run daily, weekly, or monthly, either on your local system or in the cloud. You can create multiple schedules for a company to backup. Cloud protection. Tally is providing you with cloud storage where you can secure your data with TallyDrive's reliable cloud storage. Flexible recovery. You can restore the data from the latest backup or any previous version. Optimized storage. Now you can take incremental backups of your data with 5x zip compression for space efficiency and security. Instant alert. You will receive instant notifications when a scheduled backup fails. Let us understand couple of more options. You have the option to download or delete the backup on TallyDrive. You can restore the backup directly from the drive, or you can download it to your local system and restore it. The scheduled backup will be done even if your Tally is not running. If the system is off, the backup activity will not be performed, but you will receive an instant alert to take appropriate action. Backup is protected with security. A password can be set for backup, and in case you forget your password, you will have a recovery key provided by Tally to restore it. Let us look at the prerequisites. Ensure you have the essentials in place for a seamless experience. 1. The auto backup feature will be available only from release 7.0, where you can back up to your local storage or on TallyDrive. An essential aspect is that your TSS Tally software subscription should be active. You can run as administrator to start backend services as and when required. Let us now understand TallyDrive commercials. Tally provides free space in TallyDrive for every Tally license. For a single user license, you will get 1 GB free space for your backup activities, and for a multi-user license, 3 GB. For small and medium-sized companies, these storage options are sufficient for backup purposes as Tally supports incremental backup. In case you want additional storage, then there is a cost where you pay rupees 100 per month for 10 GB extra storage. The additional storage cost is calculated based on your TSS validity. For example, if your TSS is valid for the next 6 months, then you will be paid rupees 600 only plus GST, as this is dependent on your active TSS. Subsequently, on the renewal of TSS, you will pay rupees 1200 plus GST for additional extended storage. For chartered accountants, Tally is offering a special discount of 50% on the existing price. Now quickly we will see how you can extend the storage. This is how you will extend the storage. From Tally, you can extend the storage. Click on data and select manage TallyDrive. Click here. You will be asked to log in as administrator. you have to log in with your TallyNet ID and password. Once you log in, then you will have the screen where you have an option here to extend storage. When you click on extend storage, Tally will take you to the website where you need to fill up this form, provide your organization detail, and Tally will automatically calculate the amount based on the validity of your TSS. In this case, if you see, this is my Tally license. So based on my validity, Tally is calculated 100 rupees per month, and now the amount is 900 plus GST, where you pay 1062 for additional 10 GB. To manage auto backup as per schedule, on installation of TallyPrime 7.0, a background service called Tally Scheduler will be installed automatically. Each TallyPrime installation will have its own scheduler services running on the system. Each scheduler runs on a different port number to communicate with the system. Scheduler knows which companies to backup the data path and the backup path for both your local and TallyDrive. For your reference, the following are the key points on backup. Backup can be set by creating multiple daily backup schedules for the same company. If the data is corrupted, backup will stop. Once the data is repaired, backup will resume. If no data has changed since the last backup, Tally will not backup. The log will mention backup not taken because there were no changes. TallyDrive data is hosted on AWS India, Mumbai and Hyderabad region. So in our next video, we will go to Tally and experience these backup activities and see for live how we can manage the backup activities in Tally Release 7.0. I hope understanding of the options and features that are provided for auto backup is going to be very, very useful for all Tally users. And let us explore in the further videos how to set up this auto backup live in Tally product. Thank you all once again for staying till the end. See you all in the next session. Thank you very much.